what is the solution of an equation is. Just now, we have defined, an equation which contains an LHS and RHS. There is an LHS expression, there is an RHS expression. Both are separated by equal to symbol. It's called it's called an equation. Now let's talk about what is the solution of the equation is. Here, first you need to understand that what is the solution of an equation is. It's a value of a variable which satisfies both LHS and RHS in the equation is called solution, also called as root. We also call it as root. It's called solution or root of an equation. Let me give you a simple example. Something like, in 6x plus 2 is equal to 9x minus 4. Here, now this is an equation. I need to find the solution of this equation. Now, what do you mean by solution of this equation means? We need to find the value. We need to find the value of the variable x. Value of variable. I need to find the value of variable. Now, this x is called variable. I need to find the value of this variable. That value of variable should satisfy both your LHS and RHS. Now here clearly if you understand what is the value of x it will satisfy, just check. Everyone?
Sir, 2.
Exactly. It is 2. Now here, let's say for example if we put x is equal to 2 here, let's talk about LHS. What is LHS? Okay, your LHS is 6x plus 2. Now put x is equal to 2. So this is 6 into 2 plus 2. Now what is 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Now that is your LHS value. Now come to RHS. What is RHS? Okay, your RHS is nothing but 9x minus 4. 9x minus 4. So here, put x is equal to 2 in this. We put x is equal to 2 in this. So we have 9 into 2 minus 4. Now that is nothing but 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 4 is, 14. Clearly, if you understand, here your LHS is 14. Your RHS is 14. So obviously your LHS is equal to RHS. That means these two expressions are equal for x is equal to 2. So obviously your x is equal to 2 is called the solution or the root of an equation is. So what you need to understand here is how do you define solution or root of an equation? The solution or your root of an equation is nothing but it's the value of the variable. It's a value of the variable which satisfies that particular equation. Here if you observe, here the value of the variable which satisfies that particular equation is called solution of an equation. Check this. Just a second. Let me expand that. Okay, check this. So here x is called the variable. In this variable, if it takes the value 2, then this expression LHS becomes 6 into 2 plus 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 2 on the RHS in the expression 9x minus 4, so what do? You replace x with 2. Okay, 9 into 2 is 18, 18 minus 4 is 14. Clearly, your LHS is equal to RHS. That means LHS is equal to RHS. It satisfies the equation. X is equal to 2 satisfies the equation. Therefore, the solution of this equation is x is equal to 4. What is the solution as? X is equal to. We also call it as root. So how do you define? So what is the one thing you need to understand here? How do you define solution of an equation? The solution of an equation is nothing but it's a value of the variable. It's a value of the variable which satisfies that particular equation. So x is a variable here which takes the value x is equal to 2, which takes the value 2 and which satisfies both LHS and RHS. That's the reason why we call it as x is equal to is a root of this equation. So how do you define it? Okay, the solution of the equation is nothing but is the value of the variable which satisfies both your LHS and RHS. Satisfies both your LHS and RHS. Is this clear? Guys, is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, perfect. Write that solution of an equation. Take this, statement. Write this example, and what you guys have to do is substitute x is equal to find LHS, find RHS, and show that both are equal. And write that. Okay, solution is x is equal to. So that's how we define the solution of an equation is. What is the linear equation is? Come to this.
Sir, it's an equation with one variable.
Yes, it's an equation in one variable. Here's, take the simple example. What is a linear equation is? Clearly you can see there, what is a linear equation is? An equation which contains only one variable, and when one variable and of first degree means the power of that variable has to be 1, then it's called linear equation in one variable. Actually speaking, when you talk about linear equations, linear equations, are of two types. At this level, till your 9th and 10th standard, it has been divided into two categories. One is called linear equation in one variable, and the other one is called linear equation in two variables. Is that linear equation in one variable, and the one is called linear equation in two variables. So here linear equation in one variable means, take this examples, these two examples. 2x is equal to 6. Here, there is only one variable called x. Yes or no? Similarly, here in ax plus b is equal to plus or minus 2. Here there is only one variable x. What is this? A and b are called? A and b are called constants. They are called constants. So here in both these equations, it has only one variable called x. So we call it as a linear equation in one variable. So here why we call it as a linear equation? Because the degree of the variable x is 1. If you observe, what is the degree of the variable is? It is 1. If the degree of the variable is 1, then it's called linear equation in one variable. It's called linear equation in one variable. So how do you define linear equation? An equation which contains variables of first degree is called a linear equation. And what is a linear equation in one variable? An equation which contains only one variable, and that too of first degree. So here, what do you need to understand? Okay, what is a linear equation? A linear equation is, an equation which contains variables of first degree. Something like, here you can take an example, something like, something like x plus 2 is equal to 7. Or here you can take an example, something like x plus y is equal to 5. Now clearly, if you understand, linear equations of two types. One is called one variable, two variable. Now both are linear equations only. Why both are linear equations? Because the degree of the variable x here is 1. In two variables, the degree of variable x is 1, y is also 1. If the degree is 1, it's called linear. It's called linear. If the degree of the variable is 1, it's called linear equation. Now, what is linear equation in one variable? It contains only one variable x. And what is linear equation in two variable? It contains two variables x and y. It contains two variables x and y. So what you need to understand is linear equations are of two types, which is one variable and two variables. But at this point of time, in your 8th standard, you have only linear equation in one variable. You have only linear equation in one variable. The concept of the linear equation in two variables you have in your 9th standard. So let's focus only on linear equation in one variable. Now, what is this linear equation in one variable looks like? So here, first you need to understand what is linear equation. Degree of variable
Is 1.
is 1. The degree of variable is 1. Degree of variable is 1. It's called a linear equation. Now, what is linear equation in one variable? If the linear equation contains only one variable, something like it might contain x only, it might contain y only, or it might contain z only. So it's called a linear equation. We can take an example. The above example, 2x is equal to 6, or y plus 5 is equal to 7, or z plus 3 is equal to 6. All these are linear equations. All these are linear equations in one variable, because in this you have one variable x, in this you have one variable y, in this you have one variable z. There's a reason why. Yes? Any doubts? Yeah. So let me continue. So that is what is called linear equation in one variable. So two things you need to understand. Don't get confused. What is a linear equation? If the degree of the variable is 1, it's called a linear equation. If the degree of the variable is 1, it's called a linear equation. Now, what is linear equation in one variable? A linear equation in one variable is, if the linear equation has only one variable, it's called a linear equation in one variable. Means here, linear equation in one variable is nothing but It's an equation which contains only one variable. It has to be linear. It has to be linear means the degree of that variable has to be 1. That's the reason why we call it as linear equation in one variable. So here, that's how we define linear equation one variable. Here also, the equation will have solution now. Here also equation will have solution. For example, let me give you an example. Take this example, something like y plus 5 is equal to 7, the above example. Now, if I want to find the solution of this, what do you have? Obviously, y is equal to 7 minus 5. So y is equal to 2 is the solution. So finding the solution of this linear equation in one variable is very simple. Does that? Let me give you another example. Something like the above example. 2x plus 3 is equal to, let's take 7. Here, this is also a linear equation. Here, linear equation in one variable x. Now, if you want to find the solution or the root, how will you find the solution means you need to find the value of x. So how will you find the value of x? Obviously, 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. So x is nothing but 4 divided by 2. So what is x value? Obviously, it is 2. Obviously, it is 2. So here x is equal to 2 is called the solution, also called as
root of the solution.
Root of the
solution.
Root of the equation, not solution, equation. Is that clear? So two things you need to understand. First, what is the first thing? Okay, what is a linear equation? If the degree of the variable is 1, it's a linear equation. What is linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable is a equation in which a linear equation which contains only one variable. The other way of defining it, okay, an equation which contains only one variable and it is of first degree. First degree means obviously it becomes linear. So I've given some examples. Okay, 2x is equal to 6 is a linear equation in one variable x. Y plus 5 is equal to 7. It's a linear equation in one variable y. Z plus 3 is equal to 6 is a linear equation in one variable z. So this is what is called linear equation in one variable. Now coming to finding the solution of linear equations. Finding the solution of this linear equation is very simple. What you have to do, you have to find the value of that variable x or maybe y or maybe z which satisfies this particular equation. For example, here y plus 5 is equal to 7. Take this example, y plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, y plus 5 is equal to 7. So what is the value of y? What is the value of y which satisfies this equation? Means it should, your LHS should be equal to RHS. Clearly, if you solve this, you send this 5 on the other side. The 7 minus 5 is nothing but 2. So clearly it will satisfy this equation. Na? Y plus 2 is equal to 7. How? Y plus 5 is equal to 7. How? Let's put y is equal to 2 here. Obviously 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. Obviously your LHS is equal to RHS. Since your LHS is equal to RHS, the equation satisfies. Obviously the solution is nothing but your y2 is a solution. So that's how you define solution. So three things you need to understand here. What is a linear equation? What is linear equation in one variable? And how do you find the solution of linear equation? These three concepts we discussed today. What is that? Okay, we have defined linear equation, an equation which contains, one variable and the two of first degree is called a linear equation. It's called a linear equation. Now, here, what is the solution of linear equation? The solution of linear equation is nothing but is the value of that variable x, the value of that variable x or the value of that variable y or the value of that variable z which satisfies that particular equation is called the solution of that linear equation. It's called the solution of the linear equation one variable. Now finding solution of linear equation is very simple. Only thing what you have to do is, get the value of the variable x. In this case, what you have done, okay, 2x is equal to 6. For example, to take this example, 2x is equal to 6. So how will you find x? Obviously, you will divide 6 with 2. To divide 6 with 2, 6 by 2 is 3. X is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Another example, y plus 5 is equal to 7. Send this 5 on the other side. Plus 5 goes on the other side, becomes minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So y is equal to 2 is a solution. Take another example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 means, obviously you send 3 on the other side. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, which is 4. So what is x? obviously you'll divide 4 with 2. So 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. So x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. Is this clear?